wild caught tuna steaks, sushi quality. You only need to sear them like for a minute and a half, 2 minutes on each side, and I'm going to season them the way I like and what I have in the kitchen right now. So first I want to get the pan like really hot. Like get it not searing hot, but just steaming hot, like ready to go. I want to put some butter in there. So I have the electric burner on 3/4 setting of high. It's pretty hot. I'm going to throw a little stick of butter in here, a little slice of butter in here. Usually I use my iron skillets, but this is a scan pan. It's a little bit different than your regular Teflon pans. They're very expensive actually to buy. I'm going to get that hot. Alright. I'm going to try this out. I'm going to put some Stubbs, just regular barbecue sauce. The original. You just put a little bit on there. See how it goes. I'm going to do some black pepper. Like a lot of black pepper. And I'm going to do some lemon like you would normally put on fish. Move that around a little bit. Now this is sushi quality. I mean, with tuna, it's high in, it's got a good percentage of vitamin D on it. But also you can eat it fairly rare. The only other problem with tuna is that it does have a certain mercury content in it. Like weighing the values, it could be, just don't eat it all the time. Mercury actually makes my brain function a little faster. It's like gives those, electrolyte mercury is like one of the best things you could have. Yeah, I'm just joking. All right, joking. All right. I think we're almost done. That's all there is to it. I'll put a little basil on it. This is the basil I grew this summer, and I got it all dried out. It looks really good. And just put a little bit of that on there. And I think we're pretty much finished. So that's how to cook these steaks. Yeah, it's ready. Right there. Oh, that's very good. When you heat off, you plate it up. Oh my god.